Hello friends, welcome to the channel. So this is the second video of MCP series. In my previous video I have explained how MCP server works and how I have created a tutorial, and as well as I have created in fact I have created two projects. One is MCP server and one is MCP client. If anybody wants to know how they works, please watch my previous video, and in this tutorial I'm going to explain how with Claude Desktop and how with the Claude Desktop it will work. It's the same MCP server. We can connect to the MCP server from the Claude Desktop, and even we will see how from the VS Code how we can connect. So these are the two things I'm going to cover. So this is going to be a very short video, so please stay till the end. Okay, so this is how the Cloud Desktop looks like, and you can download it from the this is the URL Cloud Desktop. So you can download for Windows and Mac OS. And after installing, you need to create an user, and you can take a plan as per your requirement. For me, it is a free plan. Okay, and this is the first step. We have to do it, and let me show you the code once, because there is we have to generate a jar for this. And this is the MCP server the last time I have shown. So here I have just changed to M7. So this is the only change I did, because with M6 it was created a problem, and now in fact 1.000 is also available, I think, in the market. It recently came. Okay, so this is the same thing. Okay, and everything is same. I will not going to explain again. Okay, application.yml, it is everything is same. So what you need to do is you guys compile it and build the jar. Okay, so build the jar. If jar location is this one, so you can build the jar. So this is for seller account. Search by seller account by name and seller account by name and by owner. And one more project I have done. It is also very small. Search service by name and search all services. So here general service, wash, painting and engine repair, and this is small description, and this is the price it is given. Okay, so it will search all services or search all services by name. Okay, so this is a very simple thing I did to explain. So again, here I generated the jar, and here we can see it is connecting to MCP server. This is pretty same. Okay, nothing much here. And yes, so this is nothing much. It is simple as per my previous video. Okay, so now coming back to Claude Desktop. So here what we need to do is you go here, click on edit, click on go to developer option. So this is few options are there. We can see the logs also, because sometimes if we try to connect, it will not connect with MCP server, which in fact I was getting a problem. So this is the log file. You can see what is happening. Okay, so we need to do is open app config file. Okay, so by default it is opening on a VS Code. Okay, not a problem, but we can open it anywhere. So this is the uh, path. C users, username, app, data, roaming, Claude Desktop.json. Okay, so this is the path. For Mac user it will be different, so you need to find this file. Okay, so here we need to define as MCP server. So two MCP servers are there. So this is the command. So this is the location where Java is installed, so it need to match, because sometimes uh, path, suppose you have given the path for Java 17 and you have compiled in Java 21. In that case it will not work, so you have to keep the Java path here, and the arguments is hyphen jar, and this is the location of the jar file. So that's what I was explaining. So we need to build a jar, or you keep it somewhere, or you give the path of the project. So okay, and this is the same thing. So this is account MCP server. Okay, after uh, editing this file, you need to restart the Claude Desktop. Okay, you need to restart the Claude Desktop because then only it will take effect. Okay, and how do you know that it is connected? So you click here and you will be able to see this auto MCP server. Search all services by name. So this is the two tools are visible here. Account MCP server is get accounts by name, get account by owner. Okay, so we can disable here also. And let me open the DB viewer once again to check the database for the account MCP server. Okay, and okay, so and okay, let me show you once more thing. Okay, it is taking time to open, so let me show you. I suppose I'm sending a one query. I need a car service. I need a car service. Give me the list of services. Give me the list of services. Okay, and okay, so it is searching for search all services. So here, so it is calling this tool, and general services, it has added $1 here because we didn't do anything. So general service 100, wash service is 200. Even if we have given wash, I think, yes, wash. So it has added his himself, painting and engine repair. So painting service 300. So you can see it has able to search thing. Okay, and for the next thing is we'll search by owner. Okay, okay, search by search account by owner Amazon. Okay, so we can give any prompt. Means like ultimately it need to call the proper tool. Means like that depends on how we give the tool. So here the two accounts it has given, so it is working properly. Okay, so this is how we connect Claude Desktop with a existing MCP server. Okay, so this is one way. Now next thing is I will show you how with Visual Studio Code we can do. Okay, you open the Visual Studio Code. You can install the Copilot. Okay, and click here agent. So it will automatically select the prompt. Click here. So for my case, I have already done this, so that's why I'm getting it too. So we click here. Okay, Claude Desktop. So it is taking the Claude Desktop one. So let's click on the other one maybe, and let's see. Okay, it is taking the same thing. So it is taking the same file, this editor. Okay, so might be if it is a new, if Cloud Desktop is not used, so it will open a similar kind of a JSON file where the similar thing we need to give it, and in that case it will work. Okay. Okay, so this is a proper. So we will search. Uh, give me the price of. Give me the price of engine repair. Give me the price of engine repair. So let's see what it does. So it is asking for MCP server. We need to give a continue. It is running. engine repair description, engine repair 400 it has given. It is returning in JSON format. Okay, so let's copy this one, search account by Amazon. So let's see how it returns. So it is using ChatGPT 4.1. Okay, it is asking for, okay, it is running. Take up some time because it is fetching from the DB. Okay, account name David, Mike. Okay, ID. There are two accounts, ID 1 and 3. So it is proper ID 1 and 3, and it has given a very less detail. So based on if we say need more detail, okay, let's see what it does. Okay, it has given the full details now. Okay, so these are the two ways we can connect any existing MCP server with any client. So in my last video I have used the Spring Boot with the Spring Boot with the AI client, Spring AI client. Okay, and here I have explained how we can do with the Claude Desktop and with the Visual Studio Code. Okay, I think that's all for this video. I think I'm going to end this video, and I will also come up with some new things with the UI. Okay, if you like the video, please do subscribe, share, and yes, so see you on the next video. Yeah, bye bye.